So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all know that they have provided the seat matrix. So here I am with the complete analysis regarding that. It is category wise, general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, how many seats are there, and for PWD as well I will consider, that is all category PWD. सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं. So please try to watch this video up to the last where you will get the complete information as I'm guiding for JOSA counseling. If you want the guidance, you can contact me regarding that as well. In the description we will get all the information related to my course as well, through website or app you can join, or through WhatsApp also you can join the guidance program. Up to your admission is done. Until you join the hostel of the college, I will be guiding you, that is up to the last. So let's get started with the information. It is total seats in IIT category wise. First I will discuss, as the number of seats has been increased this year, so after that you have more chances to get the seat. So don't do the choice filling based on the previous year cutoff. Try to consider the seat matrix of current year, then try to do the choice filling for the college. So here is the information. General 6819 seat, pure general. General PWD 356 seat, EWS 1694 seat, EWS PWD 86 seat, SC 2532 seat, SC PWD 132 seat, ST 1276 seat, ST PWD 56, OBC 4558 seat, and OBC PWD 231 seats, and total seat in IIT is 17,740 after including all branches, all category, everything, all 23 IIT. Many students will say that there is only 2500 seat in SC, how I will get the college up to 4000 rank. So check the last year cutoff. Every student is not going to take the lower branch in IIT also. They will do the drop. Many students have 2000 rank or 3000 rank, so they will take the drop option for next year to get the CS in top IIT college. So that's why you will be getting the college up to 4000 as well. Similarly it applies to other category also. General 6800 seat, but cutoff will go up to 14000 15000 in most of the colleges, and also up to 18 19000 you will get the college with lower branches. So it depends on all type of possibility and demands, that if there is a demand, there will be the cutoff decrement. If there is less demand, cutoff will be increased, that is cutoff rank will be go up to very high rank. It is easier to get. So hope you get my point. So no homosexual reservation is there in IIT college. Only 20% plus, according to the Supreme Court advice, 20% seat will be reserved for female student. That's why you are getting female cutoff separate, as in my videos as well as on JOSA website. So hope you get my point. Now I will discuss for NIT. Before that, let me inform you the complete guidance procedure for JOSA counseling. Starting from now up to admission is done, I will be guiding you continuously, a one-to-one complete guidance, and it's personalized choice filling. Not that every student will get the same choice filling. It is not like others will provide you at very less fee, but they will provide same choice filling to every student. It will be based on your preferred branch, based on your rank, what are the options you are looking for, what are the location you are looking for. Everything I will be discussing. Thereafter I will prepare the separate list for you, and accordingly you will fill, and after each round we will be discussing about the decision making, what needs to be done in order to get the best college. And until you get into the college, I will be guiding you. This is not only for JOSA but for CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSTT, UPTU, as well as for all private college, ComEdK, Manipal, VIT, AEEE, BITSET as well. So whenever you want, you can contact me. Sidewise all the details are available. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSET, ComEdK, AEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that, and by sending everything. Now if you talk about for total seats in NIT, then if you talk about for general 9296 seats, general PWD 474, EWS 2271, EWS PWD 134, SC 3423, SC PWD 184 seat, ST 2014, ST PWD 101, OBC 6018, OBC PWD 314. Total seats in NIT is 24,229. So this was about the NIT college. Home state other state data is included here because there is two type of reservation option, home state other state, and 25 to 30% seats are reserved for female student here as well. Now if you talk about total seats in Triple IT college, general 3,335, general PWD 159, AWS 817, SC 1212, SC PWD 59, ST 614, ST PWD 23, OBC 2186, and whatever I am providing you by including all type of branch. Soon I will try to provide you based on only CSE branch what are the number of seat in IIT, NIT, Triple IT, GFTI for all category. I will discuss soon. So please try to subscribe the channel. Now if you talk about OBC PWD 108 seat, total number of seats is 8546 seat. In earlier year it was used to be only 6000 seat, 6500 seat, but now it is 8500 seats. So this will have the effect for CSIP counseling as well. I will provide you the cutoff information regarding that soon on the same channel. As only CSIT ITEC branch is available in most of the Triple IT college. Some of the Triple IT have dual degree course or mechatronics, mechanical, this type of branch as well. Only few. And 15 to 25% female seats are reserved here as well. Now if you talk about GFTI, general 4059, general PWD 198, EWS 918, there is huge increment in case of GFTI because number of college has been increased this year. For EWS 918, EWS PWD 41, SC 1317, SC PWD 68, ST 778, ST PWD 33, OBC 1905, OBC PWD 85, total 9402 seats are there in GFTI college, and female reservation are very less here. That's why I'm not providing you separately information regarding that is percentage. So now if you talk about total seat after including all college, that is all 120 college, all branch, all category, everything. So here is the number of seats. General 23,509 seats, general PWD 1187 seats, EWS 5700 seats, EWS PWD 294 seats. So now you can check there are lots of seats for PWD category available. That's why you are getting the college up to last category 0 percentile, 5 percentile as well because of the reservation. For SC 8484 seat, SC PWD 443, ST 4682, ST PWD 213, OBC 14667 seat, OBC PWD 738 seat. Total number of seat is around 60,000, only 83 seats less, that is 59,917 seats. So this was the complete information regarding the seat matrix. So now you can imagine the difficulty of getting the seat through counseling because of the homestay reservation. Many students will get the college up to 10 lakh rank also. So that is very difficult to get the seat, but if you do better counseling at your rank, you will get the seat for sure until the last round. So do it very carefully. That's what I will advise you. Otherwise you will face lots of problem. You may have to drop for the next year or you will join the private college. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe. Thank you.